Hello guys, welcome to another episode of our HTML tutorial. I'll be talking about tables. All right. Most of the times in your website, you have a transaction history. Let's say you're building an e-commerce or a fintech, and you have transaction history. It's mainly done with tables. Transaction history to show your user their data. Let's say, for instance, this is a list of employee and their position. You can see how neatly arranged it is with the heads and with the data. All right. This is another screenshot. This is like a cart where you have the item ID, you have the item name, the item price, and options. You can see how neatly arranged they are. So these are done with tables. If you want to list out something for your users that has the header and the body. For this, the header item ID, item name, item price, item detail as well, and we have item operate. We have another sample here. We have invoice, customer, ship price, purchase price, status. These are the table header, and the other data here are the table data. All right. I have another one here: invoice, customer, ship price, purchase price. So these here are the table header, and these are the data. So if you have a list of data that you want to show to your customers that has the header, using tables is your best bet. All right, so I would create another file called tables.html because I don't want to mess with this file. And to start with the table, we use the table tag. All right. I will use this as a sample. Let's see. Okay, I will use this as a sample. So let me close the rest of the tabs. This in a table, we have both row and column, right? Everything here is a row as far as it's horizontal. This is a row. This is a row. This is a row. Horizontally is a row, and vertically it's a column, right? So invoice down 1001001001000 tiret, this is a column, right? Customer down is a column. All right. Ship down Japan, 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 it's a column. All right. Price down $3,000, this is a column, right? So that's the difference. Column is usually vertical while row is horizontal. So invoice, customer, ship, price, purchase, these are row, right? Coming back here, 1001 mark, Uto, Japan, 3000, 1200, progress, this is a row, right? So that is for rows and column in tables. All right. So to create a table, we use the table tag, right? And to create a row, because we need to create a row, then we begin to create the table data. Okay. Aside rows and column in a table, we have the TRO tag, which I'll talk about now. It's a table row because our data is in row format. All right, comes and go, horizontally inclined. All right, so the tag for that is TRO, and we have the table header, which is the title of our table. All right, in this case we have invoice, customer, ship, price, purchase price. These are the title of this table. All right, so that is the table header, while the remaining part of the table is the table data. All right, so let's try to replicate this table now. Enough talk and more code. So the first thing I need to do is to get the TRO tag, because I need to get this data as a row, right? Then the next tag I will talk about is the H, the table header tag. The first one we have is invoice. The other tag we have is customer. The other tag we have is ship price. Okay, price, purchase price. And status, right? Okay, yeah, status. So this is tables.html, and this is where my file is located. You can see they are all horizontally inclined, just like it is here, but there is no space yet. When we enter CSS, we begin to style our table to give it space and color and everything that is here. All right, so you can see invoice, customer, ship price, purchase price, status. It's all here, right? This is the table header. All right, table header is usually bold, different from the, in this case they're almost the same color, but table header ideally is supposed to be bold because the title of the column itself. Then the next thing now we do again is TRO. Right, so the TRO is going to give us the horizontal data. It's going to align our data horizontally. All right, that is what the TRO stands for, table row. So the next thing I'll do now is table data. All right, we've gotten the table head already. Now we need the content of the table, which is the table data. First one is 1001. Second table data, which is this, is Makoto. The third table data is Japan. The fourth table data is $3,000. That's the fifth is purchase price, which is $1,200. Final one is progress. All right, so this is just HTML that we are working on, and as you can see, the table data is actually spaced more than the invoice, customer, Japan, price, purchase price, and status. All right, so we can decide to add multiple table data, and remember they should be inside the TRO tag, which stands for the row, table row. All right, so if I have up to 3 data here, you can see they are aligned already, and if I keep on adding, they keep on, data keep on increasing. All right, you can see they have the same pattern of header and the data, right? But once we get to CSS, we would style our table to suit that pattern. So that will be all for tables, and I